Here's how to make Gmail open links in your web browser instead of inside Gmail. This is the updated 2026 method. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Now stay in the General tab. Scroll down until you find settings related to smart features and links. Make sure Gmail is not forcing links to open inside its own preview window. If you see options related to in-app previews or smart features, turn them off. Next, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now when you click a link inside an email, it will open directly in a new browser tab instead of inside Gmail. And that's it. Your Gmail links will now open normally in your browser. Subscribe for more Gmail tutorials in 2026.